Bitcoin, check 'em please, because the government's auctioning off Bitcoin seized from criminals, auctioning it off. Kristina Partsinevelos, what are they doing?
Yeah, you're right. The beginning has actually begun. It's going to go until 2 p.m. Eastern time. There's 4,000 Bitcoins out there. It's not only just those that have been seized from criminals, it's also civil cases. But you can't think of it like a seizure of a car. Bitcoins are associated to a wallet, so the government can't just go and seize it. They have to actually get the rights to that wallet. It's a little complicated, but nonetheless, you have about $39 million worth of Bitcoin hit in the market today. It's not for everyone. You have to put down $200,000 to put a bid. So these are some big players. You're seeing the price start to tick up, but over the last little while, over the last, let's say, 5 days or so, business days, you've seen the price of Bitcoin climb to a 6-month high above $10,000. It's depressed now, most likely because of these big auctioneers that want to get in. They sold their lot to depress the price and trying to buy in a little bit lower. But the big question for the future of Bitcoin is regulation. Just over the last week or so, you had Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin that said he is looking at regulation when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I spoke to one expert who is the author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, and she said that can't be the case at all because it's a deregulated currency and it's going to be impossible to regulate, especially you have to have governments all come together to work on it. And yet they're saying they're paying attention to it. So the bidding has now begun.
Okay. No throwing shade on Bitcoin in this blog, that's for sure. Kristina, thank you very much indeed.